So you're interested in this 2023 Key West 172 center console. This boat is really well equipped. We have the white hull side, we have bottom paint, also comes with this galvanized trailer. This also has the Yamaha 90 horsepower outboard on the back with very, very low hours. We have the 2 jump seats on each side of the engine as well. We have rod holders on each side, 2 pair. We have the leaning post with the cooler. The leaning post is adjustable so you can find your perfect fit. We have the Garmin with a fish finder as well as a stereo. Plenty of tactile switches. Wheel on a tilt. We have our battery switch right here on the side of the console. As we move forward, we check out the forward seat on that console. There is storage underneath. There's also 2 rod holders on each side of that forward seat. We have the bow cushion as well with our anchor hatch right there. We have grab rails on top of the gunnels. This boat is offered by MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a shout, and we'll see you out on the water.